Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pedestal cloche. And so what you'll need some of these teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. You'll need some of these white pearlized beads, also from Efavormart. And you'll need some of this floral diamond wrap, and this is also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now, you're going to need some of these rhinestone brooches, and these brooches are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor. So much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these glass Tealight holders. You'll need one of these glass vases that's like a fishbowl shape. I'm not sure if this is a candle holder or a vase, but anyway, you'll need one of these in the fishbowl shape. You're going to need some of this mylar paper, and it's just a pack of these foil sheets, so you'll need that. You're going to need a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree as well, and you will need 2 of these round mirrors. Now if you have 3 of these round mirrors, then you can use the 3 mirrors and you won't need this foil paper. But if you only have 2 mirrors, then you will need some foil paper, because you'll just need something reflective on the back of the mirror that'll look really attractive. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful cloche, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this Glam Cloche turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.